Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Svetlana and I will be your moderator today on our panel. Today we have two incredible experts with us. The first, Liana Kasyan, a recognized practitioner and mentor with years of hands-on experience in global PV. And in join her, Greg Michels, an entrepreneur and innovator driving AI-powered solution in pharmacovigilance. Dear colleagues, just attention. At the end of our discussion, we will have an interactive poll and take questions from our chat.
In terms of knowledge about regulations, changes, revisions, etc. This is the second challenge. And the third challenge I would highlight is that it's kind of managing more data as fast as possible. This is still challenging because regulators are asking for to be faster than ever. But having this high volume data, having regulations changing so quickly, it's for PV professionals, it's becoming a real nightmare to do everything in a fast way. These are main challenges I would highlight.
Thank you, Eliana. Greg, from your side, which technologies or approaches are already making a real impact in pharmacovigilance?
Hi everyone. I hope I have a good connection right now. Actually the first and the main impact now, that if you have at least the technology, right? So you have some at least impact from the, everyone has different situation in their companies. There is some SMEs that's just starting their way. They always assessing a budget, right? They always assessing their path, and they actually roll out for their operations. This is generally the main operational question: will it worth it, right? So as Liana said, I totally agree that in current situation in the market, that there are more drugs coming, there is more regulations coming, there is actually volume always coming, and it's raise sharply. So you have to plan at least the some tools, the electronic tools, to simplify at least your managing work. We'll cover, of course, the main, like I believe in the next few minutes, about new technologies and some features that could help you. But to start from scratch, it's at least that minimal technological adoption, the platform or tools or variety of tools, or at least have that in plan and follow this plan. That's the first that you need to do.
Thank you very much again, and see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you too, Svetlana. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.